Hola, estudiantes. Yo soy Señora Hilton, your Spanish teacher, and this is our very first Spanish class video. So we're going to be doing something a little new and different this year. We will have lessons on videos for you guys to watch every week before you come to class. So I will create a video and it'll be on YouTube. I will send out a link to the video to your parents and that they will get in their email. I will use the class forums on the Raising Arrows website to do that. So what I'm hoping you guys will do is watch the video before you come to class each week. So maybe on Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday, you can take the time. They should be between 10 minutes and 20 minutes long depending on how much we have to go over. So you'll watch the video and you'll learn some new words. You will practice saying the words. I'll teach you how to pronounce them. So we'll practice that in the video, and then when you come to class on Thursday, we will have lots of time to practice what we learned in the video, and we will play some fun games and do different activities to help us practice what we've learned. And this will also be useful for you if you have to miss class for some reason. You won't miss out on the lesson because it will be on the video. So please, por favor, do your best to watch the video every week before you come to class, okay? And then the second part of what you'll be doing at home is completing some homework pages, some worksheets. And I sent a folder home with you this week. So you will bring that home every week and then bring it back to class with your homework pages done. And the videos will help you complete those pages. So if you're not sure what to write in, you can look back at the video for help on your homework. And then please bring that folder with you to class every week. We'll be checking, and if you have the homework done, you will get a sticker on the front of your folder, and we'll see how many stickers you can collect through the year. So again, we'll watch the video before class at home. Then we'll come to class, we'll have some games and activities to practice what we've learned, and then you'll go home and you'll do a couple of homework pages, so you will get to practice not only speaking but also writing in Spanish. And I am just very excited for this year. It's going to be muy divertido, very fun learning Spanish together with you. So please continue watching and we will introduce some words and practice them at the end, okay? Gracias. Buenos días. Hola. ¿Cómo estás? Bien, gracias. ¿Cómo te llamas? ¿Te llamas señorita Spider? No, me llamo señora Caballo. ¿Cómo te llamas? ¿Qué? ¿Cómo me llamo? Por supuesto, me llamo Señor Spider. Ah, sí, claro, claro, lo siento, Señor Spider. ¿Cuántos años tienes? No te digo, pero ¿cuántos años tienes tú? Tengo 20 años. Bueno, señor Spider, adiós. Hasta luego. Wow, okay. I don't know what was going on there with Señor Spider. Maybe a little too much sugar, who knows? I hope you enjoyed that conversación using some of the words and phrases that we learned in class this week. So Now we are going to go through your homework packets. So go ahead and get that homework folder. If you don't have it in front of you, then just push pause on this video and run and get it, okay? Do that now. Okay, do you have it? All right, you have 2 pages to do for homework this week. Page 1 and page 2. Uno, dos. Bueno, the first page looks like this. ¿Cómo estás? And we're just going to read the words together right now, and I will read the word in Spanish and then give you a chance to repeat it after me. So I'll read it and I will pause, and then I want you to say it out loud, okay? Practice saying these words out loud until you get comfortable. So we're going to start with number 1. Number 1 says, ¿Cómo te llamas? ¿Cómo te llamas? And it means, what is your name? Or how are you called? So we'll say the words one at a time and repeat after me. ¿Cómo te llamas? ¿Cómo te llamas? What is your name? And now the answer is number 2. Me llamo Señora Hilton. You answer with your name. Me llamo Señora Hilton. So one word at a time. Me llamo, and then your name. Señora Hilton. So again, the question and answer. ¿Cómo te llamas? Me llamo Señora Hilton. Go ahead and try it one more time. ¿Cómo te llamas? Me llamo Señora Hilton. Muy bien, estudiantes. Okay, the next one is number 3. And that one says, ¿Cuántos años tienes? And it means, how old are you? ¿Cuántos años tienes? You repeat. And make sure you're doing this out loud, okay? ¿Cuántos años tienes? ¿Cuántos años tienes? And then the answer, number 4. And you're going to fill in the number of years of how old you are here, okay? So to review the numbers quick, if you're 7, you say siete. Sorry, that was 6. Good math here, señora. Siete, ocho, nueve, 10. And if you're 11, once. Okay? So siete, ocho, nueve, 10, once. Got it? Okay, I'm just going to answer like I'm 10 years old, which I'm not, but let's pretend. So I would say, tengo 10 años. So now repeat the words one at a time. Tengo 10 años. Muy bien. Now the question and answer together. ¿Cuántos años tienes? Tengo 10 años. All right, number 5, another question. ¿Cómo estás? This means, how are you? You repeat. ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? And now on your sheet you have 3 different answers to this question, how are you? Bien, mal, así, así. So, bien means I'm well, I'm doing fine. Mal means I'm bad. Or así, así, I'm okay. So I'm going to ask you and you answer. ¿Cómo estás? I hope you answered bien or muy bien, very well. Okay, number 9 on your sheet. Profesor, profesora. This is the word for teacher. It sounds like the English word professor, if you've ever heard that word before. So profesor would be a teacher who is a man, and profesora would be a teacher who is a woman. So the ending is different for male and female. So I am a female, so I would say yo soy profesora. And then number 10, the next word is what you are, estudiante. Estudiante, student. Would you like to say that? Estudiante. Muy bien. Okay, the next 3 are the words for Mr., Mrs., and Miss. You repeat them. Señor, that means Mr. Señora, that means Mrs. Señorita, that means Miss. So again, we have different words for male and female, whether it's a man or a woman. For a man, we'd say Mr., which is Señor. For a woman, Señora, that's a married woman. If the woman is not married, Señorita. Muy bien. And now the last 2 words on your page are the words for yes and no. Sí, no. Sí, no. You want to say that with me? Sí, no. Muy bien. Okay, so you're going to do that page for homework this week, and then you're going to do page number 2, which is the numbers. I'm going to send a link for a different video for counting in Spanish if you need help with that page. And those will be your only 2 homework pages due this week, so you'll work on those and then bring your folder into class next week. And if you have pages 1 y 2 done, then you'll get a sticker on your book, on your homework packet. Now I also want you to turn to page 3, página 3. And we're just going to read these words together for now. That's all we're going to do. So again, I will read the word and then you say it after me. Number 1, amigo, amiga. And this is the word for friend. And again, the ending of the word is different, whether it's talking about a boy or a girl. So amigo would be a friend that's a boy. Amiga, a friend who's a girl. So which one are you? Yo soy una amiga. Amiga. Now the next 3, number 2, 3, and 4, are greetings that we would give differently depending on the time of day. So the first one is good morning. Buenos días. Buenos días. Buenos días. Good morning. And then the next one would be for good afternoon. Buenas tardes. Buenas tardes. And then the third one would be for good evening or good night. Buenas noches. Buenas noches. Muy bien. Okay, number 5, you've probably heard quite a few times already. Hola. That just means hello. Hola, amigos. Hola. And then the next word, number 6, adios. That's goodbye. Adios. Adios. Or you could say number 7, hasta luego. That means see you later. Hasta luego. Hasta luego. Muy bien. And then I just want to point out at the bottom of that page, you're going to practice writing some characters that we don't have in English. So an upside down question mark, upside down exclamation point, and then some letters with different symbols over them that are used in the Spanish language. We're just going to practice writing those, and we'll talk about those more in class, what they mean. So thank you for watching this video. I will see you in class, and hasta luego.